Okay, I'm going to pour resin onto my big painting tonight. There's a few bubbles in it. It seems to be mixed well. I'm very nervous because I don't have the best of luck with pouring resin, and I've got 8 ounces, which I don't know if that's enough or not. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it on. This is a very big canvas. And I hope to cover it all. I've cleaned the canvas off. This has been drying for a few months, so hopefully it's enough. I don't know. If it has divots, I'll have to go over it again, which I hate doing. I absolutely hate that. So, but I have had luck before, so I'm going to use my hand. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm so nervous to add this coating, but it's so lovely to have this coating on it, isn't it? It could be warmer. I'm going to do the outside first. It could be a little bit warmer. It's a little cold. I've got the tape here to stop it from running over. Okay, that's a lot right there. It's just better if you use your hand instead of a brush. I used to always use a brush. It's just better to use your hand because you can feel it. You can feel where it needs to have its, oh, look at that mica showing up. I'm going to reach over here. This is just for Brett and Janet, for their eyes only. I'm not going to publish this, I don't think. Unless it turns out super fucking awesome. Then maybe I'll publish it. Oh God, look at the shine on it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I want them to have this hung in their house when they do their housewarming party, which is coming up in September. Yeah, this is the way to go, you guys, is to use your hands. Okay, this is definitely the way to go. Okay, a little bit right there, and some right there, and some right there. There's a lot right here. Let's just take it up. Okay, it's not covered right there. We need to make sure it's covered there. So you really have to have a good eye on it when you're covering your canvas. But you don't want to have any boo-boos. You don't want to have any areas that are not covered. Okay, I think this was enough. Just make sure it's covered all over. Okay, there was a spot that was open. You just can't be in a hurry when you do this stuff right here. You have to take your time with it. Freaking gorgeous. OMG. See a couple of boo-boos where the black got in there, but it's still going to be gorgeous regardless. Oh my God. There's a hair. Where's my tweezers? There's a hair right there. Got it. I can't have my hair in the damn. I should put my hair up. I can't have my hair in the painting. That's not cool. So I'm going to start making that my trademark. Okay, just make sure it's all covered. I think it is. Oh my God. I have to close that door so the cats can't come in here. Here, I think it's done. I'm going to leave my glove on for a minute and watch it and see if it settles out and doesn't have a... You can give it a light torch. little bubbles. I'll sit in here with it for a little bit and make sure that we get them all out. God, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at the shine on that. Well, maybe you can't tell. Woo! It is looking pretty. A few bubbles right here. Yeah, see those bubbles? There's a few bubbles that are popping. Is that a hair? Where's my goddamn? Where is my goddamn tweezers when I need them? That's a hair right there. Don't like that. Is that a hair? Where's that bubbles? No fucking hairs. No fucking hairs allowed, motherfuckers. Okay, I'm just gonna sit with it for a couple minutes. So, there it is, guys. It just got coated. This is epoxy resin. Okay, I'm gonna stop it because I have to torch it in a few minutes, so you don't need to wait while I do that. All right, I love you guys. Oh my God, I can't wait to see this dry. Oh, it's gonna be badass.